YouTube family? What's good, YouTube family? This your DJ Bless One, NBA Youngboy. Kentrell is in a situation where a lot of people would like to be in right now. He got an album with the baby, another hot rapper out here right now, two superstars in the hip-hop business right now. He just got out of a situation where the judge allowed him to move to Utah, and he doesn't have to facilitate himself in the prison systems with a task force that's known as Never Free Again. He's been through a lot. He's winning right now. Well, we got update on his court case coming up in May, and it's good news, y'all. And before we get started, hit that like button and that notification bell and rock out with the YouTube family. Let's go, gang. Well, YouTube family, NBA Youngboy gets a new trial date after video evidence victory, 100% convinced of his innocence. You guys hear me? They are 100% convinced that NBA Youngboy might be innocent after all, and they're breaking it down in the best way you could break it down by giving him a fair trial date for his situation that he's going through in the case of Never Free Again, and we know what that really is. Now, the unconstitutional of the law enforcement was clearly evident that the rapper's lawyer Drew Finding tells Rolling Stone we're looking forward to going to court. Now, let's break this matter down even more. We know NBA Youngboy, he's going back and forth with street beefs. He got a lot going on. So one thing he did not need at the time was going through back and forth with people who obviously don't like him, people he's in tune with. You know what I mean? NBA Youngboy lawyer says the trial date is set for his federal gun charges case in Louisiana. On Tuesday afternoon, his lawyer Drew was riding high in the victory announcement that he got from the judge that is allowing the evidence, the video evidence that is, to be scheduled. Now, the video evidence prosecution was relying on was footage for a music video in which he's seen holding guns in. Now, that's the thing they try to find Youngboy guilty in. You know what I mean? Holding weapons. Now, on Tuesday, a lot of things changed. The trial date was set for May 16 in Louisiana's Middle District Court. And the rapper's legal team says the behavior of the police towards the superstar was what kind of set in stones of the motion. It was a lot of things where fairness, you know, everybody have their due rights to to get fair treatment when it comes to court cases or anything like that. Now, the police basically, they wanted the evidence thrown out because they say that he's innocent. Now, they were convinced of his innocence, and now we have to continue to evaluate our strategies. Finding was quoted as saying to Rolling Stone, the unconstitutional of law enforcement was clearly evident to the court and resulted in a slew of evidence being thrown out. We're looking forward to court, he added. Now, a lot of people already know when you read this, don't get too happy yet until the judge, magistrate that is, bang that gavel. But in NBA Youngboy's situation, man, let me tell you why it's a good victory. Now, the evidence that the lawyer referenced is the recent February 24th ruling by U.S. District Court Chief Judge Shelley. I don't want to say the last name because YouTube won't like that, but Judge Shelley, that the video footage evidence properly showing the rapper possessing one or more firearms found on SD memory cards when the rapper was arrested. Now, they go a little bit further on this, y'all. So take a break, take a sip, hit that like button. I know you rock with the channel. Hit the like button, rock out with us, enjoy yourself, and let's continue reading the situation with Youngboy. Now, I hope y'all know this man has a lot of angels at his side. Now, the judge basically said the SD cards that were searched, they were improperly, taken from his cell phones. They had no rights to search the camera, which basically was akin to searching a cell phone if a suspect is arrested. The SD cards were searched by police on September 28th. September 28, 2020, when NBA Youngboy was arrested at his grandfather's house. Now, I showed that video. You guys can go to my playlist to check out that video to see what they're referencing to and talking about. Now, the judge did deny a defense motion seeking to suppress evidence related to firearms seized from a car owned by the rapper. You know what I mean? According to the judge, the behavior of the police was also wrong, leading to evidence being disqualified. The officer who wrote the warrant had included misleading information on the document, which allows police to search and seize any incriminating materials in the situation. Now, the misleading information claimed that a reliable witness had informed the police that the group of people who was seen brandishing the firearms and filming a rap video on September 28, 2020. But basically, however, it was later determined that an anonymous citizen called the report on a 911 call on September 28. It's a whole lot of back and forth, y'all. Let's go over some more of the things we know they did wrong in that situation. We know they tried to coerce a situation against the rapper. Now, it got deeper. It's always significant in any situation like that the whole truth would have been included, that the tip about the rap video came on September 27th, not September 28th. You see the games they play with folks out here? So it was on the 27th, y'all, not on the 28th at all. Now let's keep going. Basically, which would have negated probable cause to search the SD cards and camera for evidence of basically possessed firearms of narcotics on September 28th, Judge Shelley said in the lengthy ruling. Now, it's always significant to have a motion to suppress granted in a whole or in part, and anytime you succeed in the federal system, that type of victory is magnified to an even greater degree. I don't care what y'all say. That's something, man. I'm about to smoke me that Brother Polite pack. You feel me? I'm gonna be on my hard horse because I definitely took a W and the state took a L. That's how I find it. You know what I'm saying? Just like his lawyer said of the victory. Now, NBA Youngboy is currently on pre-trial house arrest in Utah. As I just said in the beginning of this whole video, YB pleaded not guilty to those charges, if you guys want to know, and that he was basically a felon in possession of an unregistered masterpiece arms, 9mm, and a 45 caliber Glock model 21 pistol. Sheesh. When he was arrested by the police. Damn, young boy ain't playing, ain't it? That's all I wanted to say to that. But clearly, he's also facing separate gun possession charges in Los Angeles, not even 2 weeks after the Baton Rouge incident, if you guys can recall or remember that. But it's just showing you the situations that are supposed to be a serious situation, but it's not serious to what you think it is. It's winnable situations that can come out here, and I want to say salute the young boy and his legal team, fairly representative, and he needs to share his lawyers and contact teams with all these other rappers who get found guilty. But look, I'm your guy DJ Bless One. Thank you for watching another episode of I Smoke Hip Hop Live. Love your family, love your kids, and definitely stay blessed. Looks like another victory for Kentrell and his team. Yep, ladies and gentlemen, another one bites the dust. Salute, y'all.